This is Nancy. I am going to give you a short video of my independent projects. I work full-time and I wanted to pick things to grow and contribute to the homestead that are important, that we're going to eat, that's going to help, but that requires little to no attention. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my worm farm. It's very self-maintaining. They grow, they love it, and every couple months I'll dig out some of the humus or the castings at the bottom, which are wonderful. Then I grow cilantro. This just needs to be watered, and I've had this cilantro for 2 years. It keeps growing. My Everglades tomatoes, I've got some coming in. Then I have, this is my table where I work at. I have 3 citrus trees. They don't need much attention, just water. I have my celery plants. When I buy celery from the store, I just cut off the head and put them in there. This is Catch. Hey, baby. I have my fig tree cuttings and my pineapples. And then in these gutters I have strawberries. And I have a system where they automatically get watered when I turn on a switch. If you follow this black line down. In my little greenhouse I have a hose that's always on if I need it. And I do a little watering whenever I need it. I have my little heater I turn on when it gets down below 30. Very peaceful place to come out and tinker and water, and I don't have to do much with these kinds of things.
The garlic?
The garlic I have to plant in November, and they like the cold, and when it gets cold quickly, it'll stop the green from growing and help the bulbs get fat. That's what you want. If you plant garlic too early, like October, then it'll get too green and the bulbs won't be really big. With the lemongrass, these are just bulbs of a couple really big plants I have, and they love to just grow in the North Florida soil. So I stick a lot of these in pots and just let them grow by themselves. These are the stock plants for my lemongrass, which I'm going to break all these down and put them in about 30 pots. Here I have turmeric, which these roots were harvested, and I'm going to replant them in new dirt. And then I won't have to touch them for a year. So I have turmeric, which is very medicinal.
Over here, that's nice. Oh, look, I see orange over there.
Yeah, that's 2 orange peppers, that's right. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and sign off for now, but
Can I get
I just wanted to show you what I pick as a full-time employee at another company. I want to be productive, and all of these things are very important, medicinal, we can eat them, and I don't have to do anything but admire them and water them most of the time.